In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim and shorten a video in CapCut. We'll start by opening CapCut and bringing your footage into the project. Import the video you want to edit, then place it on the timeline so you can see the clip laid out from start to finish. This timeline is where you'll make precise adjustments, and the preview window will show you exactly what your audience will see. If you just need to shave off the beginning or end, trimming the ends is the fastest method. Hover your mouse over the start or the end of the clip until you see the trim cursor appear. Then drag inward to shorten the duration. You'll notice the clip length changing as you pull in. This method only affects the edges, so it's perfect for cutting out lead-in silence, awkward setups, or trailing dead time. If you trim too much by accident, don't worry. You can drag the edge back out to reveal what you cut, as long as it's still within the original clip. If there's a section in the middle you want to remove, use the split and delete approach. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want to start the cut and click split. Then move the playhead to where the unwanted section ends and click split again. Select that middle piece and delete it. The remaining parts will close the gap automatically. For accuracy, zoom in on the timeline so you can line up your splits with visual or audio cues. After deleting, play over the cut to make sure the transition feels natural. If the cut is a little abrupt, nudge the split points a few frames forward or back until it flows smoothly. And if you change your mind, use undo to restore your previous state. Once you've trimmed the ends and removed any unwanted sections, play the video from the beginning to preview your work. Watch the total duration, listen for abrupt audio jumps, and make sure the pacing feels right. Scrub through to double-check the start and end, and glance at the timeline to confirm there are no stray gaps. When you're satisfied, you're done. Export the project by clicking Export, choose your preferred settings like resolution and file location, and let CapCut process the video. After the export finishes, your shortened clip is ready to share. That's all it takes to trim and tidy up a video in CapCut quickly and cleanly.